Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I will be guiding you through how to log into your Bestwallet application. To log into your Bestwallet app using mobile device, first of all, make sure that you've downloaded the Bestwallet application and launch it open. Soon after you open up the Bestwallet app, tap on the Get Started button at the bottom. It'll then take you to the login or sign up page where you'll need to enter your email associated with your existing account. Type in your email in the text box that is associated with your Bestwallet account. You can use the email that you used while signing up for your account. After you do that, tap on Continue to get to the next step. In the pop-up, tap on Continue once again, and this will take you to your email verification page. You'll need to verify your email address, so go ahead and open up your email services inbox. Soon after you open up the email inbox, you will receive a verification email from Bestwallet. Tap it open and copy the code, or simply type in the code displayed at the bottom into your Bestwallet verification text boxes. Right after you do that, you will then be able to log into your Bestwallet existing account. Every time you log in, you will need to create passcode for your wallet so that you can keep it secure. And that's how you easily log into Bestwallet account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.